You good? All right, can you see them?
Yep.
All right, guys, these are the new totes. They're so cute. So, my listing bag on one side, my open house bag on the other. So, however you're using it, that's the side you'll use it. But I want to show you these totes because we've had them forever, and there's a reason for that. So, I'm going to show you how big it is and how much stuff we can fill up with this. But this has a bottom that is like extends out. And then my favorite part, this is my airplane bag, I always say that, but it's true. It lifts up and then zips. So you can have it as big as you need it, or of course I picked one that stuck. Never been used. You know what?
They're the same size.
Yeah, they're the same ones. That's the other one. But I want you to see how this sits. I don't want to spend 10 minutes trying to... Oh, they're all like that. Jeez. Okay, well, hopefully you guys don't have as difficult of a time as I do. I don't know why that's stuck like that. I'll get it zipped so I can show you. But anyway, so it zips up and then it fills. So let's put some stuff in there. I wanted to also show you guys at the same time some listing products. So obviously the first thing that everybody grabs, booties. So I'm just going to put a bunch of booties in here. You can see how much room I still have left with all these booties in here. So I won't put too many in there. You can even fit your basket in here. So if you actually want to put your booties in a basket and then put the basket in, that totally fits. And then let's pick a shoe sign. I'm going to do a shoe sign in the smaller one, and then we'll do a tent for the welcome. So, look, I'm going to have a hard time picking. I'm going to do these two together. But we do have a new one. This is our new shoe sign design. Comes in turquoise too. What would the turquoise one go with? Let's see.
This.
Oh, that's super cute. Oh, duh.
Oh, yeah, that one too.
This is our other new one. We did a welcome sign. You know what? Look, I changed my mind. I feel like I'm actually shopping. This one's cute too. But since I picked out red booties, it'll go with the little fall in love and the little heart. See how cute that is? Look, I'll just set it here real quick. How cute is that?
Very cute.
I love that.
Love that.
Matches my shoes.
It does.
Look, I'm going to put these all in here. And then, you know what's also a cute idea that I tell people to do? Is to also take these products to your listing appointment. So the stuff in here you can also use not just as your open house, but as your listing bag. How cute would it be to go into a listing with the things that you use for your open house to show them the links that you go to sell their house, and how cute to make it. Okay, what was the other thing I wanted to put in here? I could probably fit a yard sign in there, but I probably wouldn't put that in my bag. However, I think a map
There's
pin.
open house.
Yes, that's super cute with the red.
Welcome to Home Sweet Home. It doesn't.
Actually, I think this one.
Here you go.
There you go. So look how cute that is, which also matches the little fall in love. And I think, oh yeah, it says it on there too. How cute is that? So I'm gonna put. Probably couldn't put it over your shoulder. Look, you don't need the zipper anyway.
Yeah. Exactly.
I promise the zipper would work. Technical difficulties. Now you can't put it over your shoulder, but you could still probably put it off to the side and carry it. Again, I probably wouldn't put this in the tote, but you could if you needed to. But you know what will fit is sign writer. So how fun would this be? You could take an open house writer. Again, this is going to work for both listings and your open houses. There's a fall in love.
Match your shoe sign
It
too.
matches the shoe sign. See how we did that?
Yeah.
We did that on purpose.
That was, yeah.
That's years and years of in the making. Let's see, which else do I want?
Probably need a sale pending pretty quickly.
Sale pending, yeah. And how cute is that to put in your listing bag? You could do a sale pending and a sold, just to be cute and like set it out and be like, this is all the things that I do. Another cute idea is, I say this with the stickers. Look, these match. They also go with, but taking the style of the house or the people that you're taking it to, I like to have, like, I still realtor. I don't realtor anymore, but I would like to have. So maybe you have a really cute, fun client that would love this writer, and then maybe you have somebody that wants more basic, minimal. So you could choose which one you're going to take to your listing appointment. But what I tell people to do, and I guess you could do the same with the writer, but maybe you don't want to leave the writer with a client. But when you go to your listing appointment, leave them a sale pending sticker, put it in their folder, which also will fit in here. Needs to be in there.
Yeah.
Folders next. But giving them a little good luck charm. Tell them, do not put it on the signpost until you tell them, because we all know that when you get an offer and accept it, they're like, sold.
Yeah.
So be careful of that. But let's do this. Let's put. Oh my gosh, I could fill this with all the things. We have a multi-pack of these, and you can also buy them in packs. But if you're going to a listing appointment, you're gonna want to sell a house, which I don't see it in here.
There we go.
There it is. And then also, if you're at your open house, you want to take some want to buy a house folders, leave that. You could either use it, leave them out, or I used to hide the special things that I wanted to leave with clients that did not have a realtor and put it in a kitchen drawer. And then when, once you start talking to them and they're like, yeah, we don't have a client. We don't have a realtor right now. Then I would pull out the good stuff and give them that. I'm looking at you. And
Good call. Yeah.
Okay, the other thing that you want to take are bottle tags to your open house. These are super cute. This is a multi-pack. Welcome to our open house. These are somewhat newer. And then these are the most popular. They say, I heart because I love houses, real estate life, want to buy a house. And then last but not least, look, I'm still going to put all these in the bag. Let me put these in there. All right, what else? Signing in stuff. That's what I was going to do. So, we've got a registry. So that's your open house registry, which is really great about these is that you can put in the address. And then, say you only had 2 people show up to your open house, then you can just flip it to the next time. But if you have 10 people coming, you would just use the same address here. The thing I tell people, obviously you take this from open house to open house, but when people leave, write a little note in there for yourself. Maybe looking for a 2-bedroom in a particular area or whatever the case may be. And then make sure when you get home, you follow up with these people, because a lot of times we do an open house, close it down, you're like, that's it. I'm done. But you want to make sure you're following up. And then another thing we have are these notepads where you can do a feedback form. If people don't like giving their information and leaving it, you would just tear that off. Maybe do a drawing or something like that. And then of course you need a sign-in sign. And we did turquoise. So I think I'm going to do, actually, you know what? I want to do something simple because we already have all the other signs. So I'm going to do the little one. Isn't that cute? But clearly we could fit more in here, a bigger one. Okay, there's got to be one more thing. What else?
You could do
the pop buys. What were we talking about earlier?
The pop by tags?
Yeah, we had a really good idea, and I was like, we're doing new, do we have a candy box? Yeah. So we're doing a new set of the little candy boxes that is a new listing.
Agent multi-pack.
Yeah, there's a little doggy one in there that says looking for a new backyard. You can put doggy treats in it. But the candy boxes are really great. They come like this. So you could go to your open house. If you go a little early, if you're super prepared, you could take them like that and put them in your bag. Or if you put them together beforehand, I wouldn't shove them in here because they'll get smushed. There are paper. But those are super cute too. So I think that's it. I mean, there's a bunch of other ideas too, but I mean, I don't want to keep you guys forever. So that is the open house. And I do want to, I'm going to try one more time to get this one zipped. I think it's just stuck underneath the way that its zipper was. Ah, look at that. So there's your bag.
Someone else, can I see the local realtor sign? I think they mean maybe neighborhood agent. Do you
Oh,
mean neighborhood agent?
maybe it was the, oh, was it this, that one?
Is that the one, Christy?
That's the most popular map pin. Yeah, those are great for your open house too. So if you don't do an open house yard sign, you could do the neighborhood agent. But here, show her the.
There's a couple different styles too.
So here's the neighborhood agent. One of the most popular signs. It's all put together. It's got the H stake. This is the outdoor business card holder, which is one of the best outdoor business card holders. And then we said, put a little doggy poo bag on it for your neighborhood, for your neighbors. Super cute.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. All right.
Those are $17.95 for the sign,
Yep.
and then it's separate for the little card holder.
$9.99. This isn't the H stick that we sell because they don't fit in our box. We have a plastic one, but when you go online, you'll see the H stick that you can buy to go with it. And the little doggy bag is under dogs.
Yeah, and there are other styles too online if you go online.
Yeah. There's the floral
Other
one.
designs, yeah.
And these are really great to put out at your open house, not just at your house.
Mhm.
So
These
all
are
right.
good for open houses too. The little pop-by tags.
Yeah. They're so cute.
Add a little.
Those can go on anything. Your
Yeah.
treats, little bags that you put together, whatever. But yeah. That's the new tote, y'all. So cute. Glad I got it zipped.
Okay.
See ya.
How do I stop it?
Just hit